Alright, number 4, given a linked list, check if the linked list has a loop. Linked lists can contain a self loop. So here I have my linked list, and we traverse to the end and then we loop back around to 2. So it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back to 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and then it will just continue to loop down along that. The solution that I'm going to be using for this problem is to use Floyd's cycle finding algorithm, and for that we're going to have 2 pointers, and one is going to be traversing the list at twice the rate as the other one, and the logic behind that is that if there is a loop, eventually the faster one is going to catch up to the first one and lap around it, and so if the 2 points meet at any point, then we'll know we'll have a loop. And to demonstrate that, if this was just linear and it didn't loop around, we would have A will be the slow one, moving out one node at a time, and then B will be going twice as fast. So we move A further down 1, and then B goes down 2 to 3, and then A increases by 1 again, and now B will be at 5. Then A will go down 1, and then B will be hitting null, and then won't be able to go down any further. And then A will get to the end, and they will never meet. But if we have a loop, start at the same spot, move A down 1, and B moves down 2, and then A moves down 1 again, and then B moves down 2, and then A goes to 4, and B will pass 2 and go to 3, and then A moves to 5, and then B catches up and they meet at 5. And then the time complexity for that will be O of n, because we're just going down this one time, and then space complexity is O of 1, because we're not using any additional space for this. So here is the code for that. We have our 2 nodes, the slow pointer and the fast pointer, and we initialize flag to 0. And while neither of our pointers are null, and the one after the fast pointer is not null, we have our slow going one linked list. We have our slow pointer going 1 entry at a time, and then our fast pointer is going 2. And if the slow pointer ever equals to the fast pointer, then we will change our flag to 1. And then if flag is equal to 1, we will print out that we have found a loop, and otherwise we will print out that we have not found a loop.